Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install SkinWalker mode in a lethal company. Right, so if you want to install it, you have to go to this website which is called Thunderstorm. Right now this is the best website you can get there. Once you're here, just go to the communities. Now go and select on lethal company. Now you will arrive here. Now to download the SkinWalker, you can always look for here. If you don't find it, you can always search in here, right? And make sure you click on the search bar here, and you will get the SkinWalker of different kind of modes. You can use it in your lethal company. Now here you can always go and download. For example, this is the most popular one. So you have to click on the picture here. Now just go and click on manual download. Once it get download, you have to extract this file, copy this up, and just go and paste in your lethal company files, right? That's it. So this is how you can install Skinwalker mod in your lethal company. I hope you found this video very useful.